In this video, I will show you how to use Epic, this platform, which is a virtual library. And well, you log in. To log in, you go to Students and Educators, and here you have to enter educator mail. I have already created your user, so as I don't know your Google password, I created one for you that is your school email, and the password is Pilar, and you are in. Okay, this library has one limitation, that is that it's available for students during school hours, but for teachers it will be always available for you. So this is Miss Mai. Okay, you have a class code that you will have to share that with your students if you want them to log into your class. All right, I have already uploaded the students, so here you have them. You have 5th B and 6th B. As you can see, the 5th B, to recognize them more easily, I put the complete name and surname, and for 6th B I put the surname only. All right. Okay, and here you go. Here you explore. You can explore the books. You can select the books. This is already set as 5th grade, but these books are for native speakers. So if you find that a bit difficult, you can change the grade level here. And well, you can explore by subjects, or by kind of books. For example, in 5th form, you will be teaching famous people. So look, famous people. And there are different kinds of books. So if you want, you can choose these ones. I strongly recommend these ones, especially for children who are dyslexic. And in 5th graders, both girls and boys, we do have quite a number of them. And when you open it, obviously it will read the book to the kids, like this. All right, and they can have a look at the book, and at the end of the book, they sometimes have, this book is a bit long, but well, they have a quiz. They can answer. Okay, this quiz was created by another teacher, and well, they choose the answer, and then you will know who has completed the quiz and how well they have done it. All right. Okay, here you have a filter. You can ask the platform to show you only the books with quizzes already, and if not, suppose you want this one about Bruno Mars, which doesn't have any. You see that the book finishes and it doesn't have any quiz. What you can do here, by clicking on these 3 question marks, you can create a quiz. All right, you add the questions and you create the quiz by yourself. And all right, so this is how you explore to choose the books. You have books of all subjects and all kinds of books, read to me or not, and comics and whatever. And once you choose one book, suppose I want to assign this one about Bruno Mars, what I do is I go here, this book here that says assign, and I can assign it. The only problem that I found, and I don't know how to solve it, maybe you find a way, is that when you do this, you have 60 students because you have 5th and 6th together. And I haven't found a way to for the platform to show me only 5th graders, for instance. So I'm afraid you will have to choose them one by one. Okay, that's why I thought it would be easier for you if I put the names first, the ones that have the name first are 5th graders. Okay? Caderoso Benjamin, I know it's 6. But well, you will have to assign them one by one. Right now, I'm going to assign it only to Alumno Prueba, so you will see, you will see it from the student's perspective. So I have assigned it. Okay, you have assigned this to one student, and then your student, this is what he will see. Wait, I need your. I haven't copied the class code. Okay. All right. The class code for Mihmai is this one. Okay. I will copy it, and now I will show you what the children have to do. Children will log in the same place, but they will enter the class code here. Oh, come on. Okay, there. They will, and once they are in, they will have all of Miss Mai's students here, both 5th and 6th. So what you have to do is they will have to find their names and click on their name, and they are in, and they will have this message coming up saying that Miss Mai sent you a book, check it out, and they read it. Okay? If not, they have here in the mailbox, they have all the books that have been assigned to them. You will see when you check your students that it's only one student, but they will have they will show the books they have read with you, and they have the books they have read with other teachers too. All right? When you decide to assign the book to your students, let me know so I can make a video, like a tutorial like this one, explaining them how to log in. They have already done it with the science teacher and the literature teacher, but it's always good to remind them. All right? So another thing that I wanted to tell you, when you are in your account, here you click here, My Students, and it will tell you all the information, whether they have done quizzes. Okay, we haven't assigned any there. Students' logs, here it will tell you, I don't know, Acosta, he has read one book, this one, and it took him 12 minutes to read it. Okay, because that way you know that they have read it, or, okay, Alumno Prueba has read like 7 books. And as you can see, this has been assigned by the science teacher. So we have, even if it is one person, you can see the assignments of other teachers. Okay? All right? Well, I hope that's clear. You let me know, but I strongly recommend using this platform. We need to get the children in there, and maybe there are in lower forms they are using it, and there are children who are reading not only the assignments but more books on their own. Okay? Well, let me know if you have questions. Thank you.